Hi guys, welcome. This is my first video and today we're going to be talking about mastering PPVs and getting the most out of messages and tips. So, why should you master messaging and PPV? That's the first question. Because this is where the money's at. First of all, 70 to 80% of your income on Onlyfans will be coming from messages and tips. So, it's essential to take advantage of this and get good at it. It's as simple as that. You need to be good so the PPVs actually convert. That's the whole point of sending them out, so people buy them. Well, if you have some generic shit that they're getting spammed by everyone, they're not going to buy them and you're not going to make money before you even send out the mass PPV. So, you can't just send out PPVs to all your subscribers and expect them to convert. Like, your subscribers are getting mass PPV from everyone. So, first of all, you need to stand out and build a connection with them. Actually get to know them on a genuine level. You don't need to know everything about them, but things like what their name is, what they do, where they're from, just get to know the basics. This means when you do actually send out the mass PPV every 2 days or so, they will actually convert because you've built that connection and I actually chatted with them. Most girls post things like, oh, come chat to me on my OF, or like, I only speak on OF. But I see so many girls not actually chatting with their subscribers and building that connection. So make sure you're not one of them and get to know them. Once your subscribers sees that you're a real person, they'll be much more willing to pay for your content and they'll just keep coming back, sending out the PPV. The actual copy of the PPV, so the message, the caption that comes with it, can't be anything generic, like buy this or I'm doing this, I'm bending over, whatever. You need to actually sell them on buying that content. This is just really basic copywriting. You need to sell them the dream. So in this situation, it's them busting a nut. So you're taking them from their current stage where they have a problem, they want to bust a nut, and you're providing a solution to that problem with your content. So first of all, ask yourself, what's in it for them? Like, write this down. What's in it for them? Why should they buy your content, not someone else's? How is it going to make them feel? How is it going to make them feel after? Like, you actually need to give them a reason to buy it. So, be descriptive and describe exactly how your content is going to get them to that point. How to get the most out of PPVs. Now, once you sent out the PPV, some people won't actually see it, so you need to remind them. Send them a voice note, for example, like 3-4 hours later, and this will just bump you up to the top of their inbox. And also, voice notes are like a hidden gem. Not many girls use them, so when you do actually send a voice note to your subscribers, they'll feel special. This will help with conversions massively because it builds that genuine connection once again. And when they do buy it, you also need to be following up on them. Don't just stop it there. Keep chatting to them. Sell them more content. Offer them something like a video, for example. Make them pay more for it, and just rinse and repeat this, so they keep buying, keep spending more, and just rinse their bank account. It's as simple as that. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you could just like and subscribe, hopefully you found this valuable. And if you are a creator and you are looking to increase your monthly earnings on OnlyFans, just message me on Instagram. It will be the first link in the description and maybe we could work together. So get in touch with me.